Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today I'm here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on EURUSD, aka Euro per US dollar. So without any more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see currently from the left side of our news section, we can see that definitely the sellers are crushing the buyers. So currently we have a bearish momentum in its market and in this currency specifically. And on the right side, if we go to the high impact news, which we are already there, if we go to the downside, we can see that we had some bearish news that actually helped the price in a bearish way. So we're gonna cross our fingers that this is going to help us with our trade, because today's trade is going to be a selling trade. But as always, as you all know me, news are not enough. So let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as you can see, we're on EURUSD on 1 hour time frame, and I have pre-drawn some zones for you as usual. And what I see here is that recently this currency has taken some equal highs, and this means that it already has a bearish momentum inside it, because when they take these equal highs, they should drop down below the support level that they make afterward. So we can definitely see that this price is currently pulling back to the upside and is ready to force itself to come to the downside. And I don't see any supports above these levels, and I only see money laying down below these equal lows, and banks will usually take them, but I actually see a really strong support level right above these two equal highs, because they were taken and the price never came back down under it. So it makes a really strong support. And as always, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful signal, as usual, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Live the life of your dreams, guys. Have a good day and peace.